In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a cake ordering website using WordPress and WooCommerce. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional bakery website where customers can choose their cake, select flavors, add a custom message, and even pick a delivery date and time. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is install a professional website design. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click Add Plugins. In the search bar, type Starter Templates. Install and activate the Starter Templates plugin. This tool allows you to import complete website designs in just a few clicks, which saves you hours of work. Once activated, go to Appearance and click on Starter Templates. In the search bar on the sidebar, type Bakery or Cake. You'll see several ready-made designs. Choose the one you like, for example, a cake shop template. Click on it and then select Import Complete Site. This will automatically install the home page, menu page, contact page, images, and layout for you. Within minutes, you'll have a professionally designed bakery website ready to customize. Next, we need to enable cake ordering with delivery date and time selection. Go back to Plugins, click Add Plugins, and search for Orderable. Install and activate the plugin. After activation, go to WooCommerce and look for Order Delivery Date in the settings. Here's where you configure your bakery rules. Set the minimum delivery time to 48 hours if you require at least 2 days' notice for cake orders. Then choose your delivery days. For example, if you don't bake on Sundays, simply uncheck Sunday. After that, set up your time slots. You might add options like 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. This allows customers to select a convenient pickup or delivery window during checkout. Now let's customize your cake products so customers can personalize their orders. Go back to Plugins again, click Add Plugins, and search for Product Add-ons for WooCommerce. Install and activate it. Once activated, go to Products and edit one of your cake products. Scroll down to find the Custom Product Add-ons tab. This is where you can add personalization options. First, add a text field labeled Message on Cake. Set a character limit, for example, 20 characters, so customers don't write messages that are too long to fit on the cake. Next, add a drop-down field labeled Sponge Flavor. Create options such as chocolate, vanilla, and red velvet. You can also add additional options like frosting type or cake size if you'd like. Save your changes when you're done. Now, when customers visit your cake product page, they'll be able to choose their flavor, enter a custom message, and select their delivery date and time before placing the order. That's exactly what you need for a functional cake ordering website. At this point, you can further customize your homepage text, update images with your real cake photos, adjust pricing, and connect payment gateways inside WooCommerce settings. But the core structure of your cake ordering system is now complete. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional cake ordering website with design templates, delivery scheduling, and product customization. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.